Hey guys, so let me show you something. So I got 3/8 and 5/16, in which the 3/8 fits perfect on this one. I didn't show you guys that good when I filmed it first, but I will re-show you guys. Five sixteenths fits good on this one. Five sixteenths fits good on this one. And then 3/8 fits good on this one. And then let me do the and then that's that. And then if I switch between wrench sizes, and then wait. Then this one's 10mm. Then this one is, and this one is smaller than 10mm. Which means neither of my other wrenches would work with it. And wait, I think I screwed this up. This, what is this one, a 10 too? No, that's smaller than a 10, which means I don't have anything that would work on it. Or do I? Something that may work on it. Never mind, I do. That's an 8mm. And then nines. Nope. It's an 8, but I need it opened into 8, probably. Based on my rank setup. Yeah, it's for sure an 8mm. Or it may not even work with millimeter size wrenches. But then, what size is this bad boy? We're about to find out. Now this for sure has to be a 10. Yep, it is. So then, hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes videos where you get notified when I post the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.